Hello, I'm Dr. Regan Thomas, your president of the Illinois State Medical Society. Throughout the second year of COVID-19 pandemic, I've enjoyed several opportunities to be the voice of ISMS before physician audiences, both virtually and in person. I've met with colleagues at McHenry, Champaign, Kankakee, Kane, and Sangamon County Medical Societies and moderated several ISMS webinars, spoken to physicians at Carl Eureka Hospital and the medical students at Loyola University, and more. I've also interacted with our Illinois delegation to the American Medical Association throughout the entire year, and I look forward to continuing to do so at the upcoming AMA meeting coming up in June. Through all of these contacts, I've met scores of dedicated physicians and physicians in training who want nothing more than their patients and their profession to be healthy. I'm proud of the work ISMS is doing to make that a reality and humbled to have been part of it in such a unique way over the past year. Over the course of my term, I have also had many opportunities to represent ISMS before wider audiences, particularly in the news media. I had the privilege of attending Governor Pritzker's bill signing for House Bill 3308, the ISMS-supported bill that expands access to telemedicine services for the patients of Illinois. The interviews I participated in and the letters to the editor and statements I've released have been broadcast and published by media outlets across the state. They've covered legislative issues, including ISMS's signature bills on prior authorization reform and telehealth, as well as youth vaping and other topics. We have touched on every aspect of the COVID-19 crisis, including vaccine hesitancy, burnout among health workers, and the importance of patients keeping up on routine and preventative care. And they've also ranged into other areas, including Lyme disease and current state of healthcare in Illinois, and even why I myself made the choice to get vaccinated. Through it all, I've been reminded that trust is placed on us as physicians by our patients and the public, and I've reflected the importance of ISMS as a guardian and steward of that trust. I'm grateful for the experiences that I've had over the course of my year as president and honored to have been chosen by my colleagues around Illinois to represent them. Thank you for this year. And I must be sure to salute and thank our terrific ISMS staff. Their many contributions and areas of support to our ISMS goals and activities have been enormous. Much of what we accomplish as an organization could not be achieved without their skills and expertise. So many of my activities and actions through this year as president benefited enormously from their assistance, and I truly appreciate their efforts and support. Thank you. I've genuinely enjoyed the opportunity to represent the ISMS as president and will indeed always appreciate the honor of serving our organization and profession in that role. I truly appreciate this rewarding experience and thank you all. I look forward to working with you in the coming year.